Hiya. Can I just ask about the new Pax, because it's changing design?
Hi everyone, last year's 2024 Ikea Pax update video absolutely exploded in views, and with all the changes happening in 2025, I couldn't wait to bring you this update. I've been busy playing detective, going undercover to uncover exactly what's happening with Ikea's secret Pax design this year, the one that they are keeping super secret. Plus, I've solved the mystery of those oversized lights that vanish from stores. And get this, I'm going to show you how to use the all-new Ikea Kreativ app to create your own interactive digital showroom right in your home. I'll walk you through everything you need to know if you're planning a Pax build in 2025. But before we dive in, if you're into Ikea hacks and updates like this one, smash that subscribe button. My channel's packed with my own Ikea transformations and regular store updates, so hit the bell too so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. So let's get started. Unexpected price cuts across the entire Pax range was big news in 2024, but not necessarily for the right reasons. The complementary accessories line saw some serious reductions from drawers to trays and inserts, while rumours were flying around about these items being discontinued. I've got confirmation straight from Ikea that they are here to stay. And speaking of must-have accessories, let me tell you about my absolute favourite. I've spoken about this many times, but the pull-out trouser rack is an absolute game changer. The largest size is now only £30, and after this humongous price drop, I think it becomes an essential. It honestly is a no-brainer when you're planning your wardrobe interior. And I've tested pretty much every Pax organising solution out there, and this one's still top of my list. It keeps your trousers wrinkle-free and lets you see everything at a glance. So the best part, customising your Pax wardrobe in 2025 is now more affordable than ever. Those drawer organisers and clever storage solutions you've been eyeing, they're all part of the price drop. And trust me, as someone who's been tracking Pax prices for years, these reductions are pretty significant. And what's more interesting, they are identical to before. They haven't been changed, the product has not been reduced in quality, the complement selection has simply been reduced in price. So it's a thumbs up to Ikea, and looking at the stock levels as I walk around two different stores, it looks pretty good as well. So let's find out what's going on with the lighting, shall we? Quickly though, I spotted this when I was in the store. This is made out of method kitchen cupboards, and I'm going to be making one for my bedroom. So if you're looking for an addition to your walk-in wardrobe, hit subscribe and I'll soon be starting this new project. So the update for the oversized lights is an interesting one. Now, I'm a massive fan of these lights. I have a full video on my channel reviewing them, putting them up, and let you know what I think. I was getting lots of messages from people saying to me that they couldn't get them in store, they were showing as out of stock online. So I decided to do a bit of an investigation. So I went online, couldn't find them, looked in two different stores, they literally didn't have any. In one store in Reading, the whole area had vanished. This is actually Reading, and there was some stock on the shelves. So I decided to go onto the Ikea website and talk on the chat. So I did. I spoke to 3 people at the end because nobody could help me because I had the item number of the oversized lights, but nothing was coming up on their system. Eventually I got through to a really helpful person called Yui, and he told me the following. He said, "Thank you for your patience. The oversized light range has been discontinued. At the moment we only have the battery lights available. Please look at these." So I said, "Is a replacement design coming?" He then went on to say, I think he thought I wanted something now, use the Stoughton or a different range. But I said, no, I want wired, I don't want the battery powered. So he said, "Thank you for your patience, I'll have a look into this, and we should have new wired lights coming back, hopefully next January." So that was back in November. So I'm really delighted to say that they are now back on the website, and the best news is they are massively reduced. They look identical, the packaging and everything looks identical, the sizing and the colours, and they are fully back in stock. So previously, this is a screenshot from the price last year. You'll see they are massively reduced. Ones for the 100cm are down from £29 to £15. The 71cm, which is designed for the 75cm, is down from a huge 25 to 12. And then the smaller ones that were £19, which I always thought was too expensive, are down to only £9, which is a fantastic improvement for 2025. There's 2 other items you'll also need with these lights. These haven't been reduced. You'll need the drivers. These come in 2 sizes depending on how many lights you've got, and you'll need the power cord, which is still only £7. Now, I'm a massive fan of these lights. Do let me know in the comments what you think. Have you got these or have you got the battery? For me, these are far superior and much more reliable. So if you can wire them in when you're building, I would highly recommend doing it over the battery powered ones. When it comes to designing your packs for 2025, not much has changed. However, Ikea have made some improvements. They do have their online tool, which is amazing, which I've used many times. You can play around and work out. But if you want help, Ikea stores have been extending the interior areas, so there are much more screens, so you can just turn up and you can plot out exactly what you want. Now, you can make an appointment online. I'd recommend doing this if you are going to go at a busy period. Book your slot and then you've got a dedicated person to help you. What you need to take with you is very important. You need to take your measurements, your height, your width, your depth, whether or not you have skirting board and you're leaving it, and the size of that, any inclines in the ceiling, any light switches in the way, door frames, you name it. Take as much as you can, and ideally take some photographs with you as well. Do get there a little bit early and have a look round. There's lots of ideas. Ikea certainly know how to sell up the fantastic options that they have, so you know what you want. I don't believe Ikea people give you the hard sell at all. It's not like buying a new kitchen. They basically help you create what you want. So do get there early and have a good look round, and make sure you take all your measurements with you. So here's something that will make planning your Pax wardrobe so much easier. It's called the Ikea Kreativ. It's got 2 features that will change how you design your space. So first, it's got an interactive showroom. It lets you play around with pre-designed rooms, swap furniture, try different layouts, move things around, do what you like, and you can actually buy it direct from there. And the second one is the room scanning feature. So you use your phone to scan your actual room, creating a 3D model where you can erase old furniture and add new Ikea pieces. So it's perfect for planning your Pax wardrobe. You can try different colour styles and colours to see how they fit with your current decor. And if you want to know if those dark doors are too much or if the white will complement your walls of the doors, then it lets you visualise before you commit. It's like having a preview of your very own Pax right in your room. So all this happens on the Ikea website or app, making your design process smoother and smarter. I'm about to start a brand new Ikea Pax wardrobe build, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can follow along. Ever looked at Ikea furniture and thought, I can make that better? Well, now you can. The IKEA Hackers DIY Handbook is your ultimate guide to transforming ordinary furniture into extraordinary pieces like me. From planning to execution, I'm sharing all my best hacks and design secrets to help you create the home of your dreams. Get ready to hack your home in 2025. Just click the link below to grab your copy. So let's dive straight into what is happening with the Pax 2.0 design change. I've done a couple of videos on my channel. First one was trying it out. I actually rebuilt it and folded it up like you're supposed to. It now comes with a back attached. There's no metal fixings. I've got a whole video explaining that, but I've had a lot of questions going, any update people want to buy. They also want to be able to trim down, which I'm not sure you can do with this new one. So I decided to go undercover. I was getting nowhere, emailing IKEA non-stop. I had gone on the live chat, nothing. So I went into store and did a little bit of undercover to see if I could find out any more information. Can I discuss about the new Pax, because it's changing design?
Yeah.
And I bought 2, and one came with a new one in the grey beige.
The grey beige.
Do you know
one.
when the white one is going to be in the new design?
No, we don't know yet. At the moment, it's only the grey beige one, the one that.
Yeah, which I've got,
Yeah.
which was took me like 2 minutes to build.
Yeah,
Brilliant.
we don't have a date for that one yet.
But will they all be switching over at some point?
No, we're not sure yet.
Okay.
They haven't communicated us anything in terms of the white one.
Yeah,
so.
or the oaky one as well.
Yeah, the oaky one. At the moment, it's only the grey beige. As soon as we get any communication, you guys will also be informed. At the
Okay,
moment.
brilliant. I'll grab a one before I
Yeah,
just continue
it's quite
then.
quick, innit? Yeah.
Thank you.
Cheers.
So, no update still. This is really dragging on now. So if you have any information at all, please do comment in the description box below. Let us know. In the UK, as far as it is at the moment, there is no update and there is no timeline when they are going to switch over. If they switch over, maybe the grey beige is just a test. See if people like it, what the feedback's like, and then maybe they'll put them into production. Who knows? But if you do know, do let me know in the description box below. And if you are completely new to Pax, you may not understand what on earth I'm going on about, but the Pax design has changed. I've done a full video talking about that, and I actually build it, take it apart and build it again, because it is now designed, this new concept model, to be folded, so when you move house you can take it with you. So do check out the video on my channel for more information. And last but not least, I'm a massive fan of the forced sand doors and attaching stuff, but if you just want some doors you can hang on, now is the time, check them out. Prices have been massively reduced, especially if you're looking for sliding doors, so do have a look. They are being quite heavily reduced, which is a good thing, because I thought they were a little bit expensive, but there's a huge range, massively reduced, so do check those out. They are bringing us new designs, so discontinuing some old ones. This is a new design that is now available in the glass top. It's been available with a panel top and bottom before, but now they've brought it out. This is the Grimo in the glass top, which I really like. It's a little bit different, and there are a few different options in the Grimo doors. You can even get them on the single doors and sliding, but do check out in store, because some stores do have some discontinued depending on the store, so you might be able to pick up a bit of a bargain. So also doors have been reduced. Again, if you go into store, you often find some that are reduced to clear. I don't know the reason for this, but sometimes they just are. There were some of these doors available at a reduced price, but that was specific to the store. So do always go in with an open mind. You never know, you may come away with a different door. The new door for this year, I'm not even going to try and attempt to pronounce this one, but it does say online it's a limited edition. So if this is the door of your dreams, you might want to head down there sooner rather than later. So we've come to the end of my 2025 update. I hope you found it helpful. If you want any more information, do check out the other videos on my channel. You might even want to watch the 2024 video, because that will give you lots of information. If you are planning to do your own Ikea Pax this year, I hope you found this helpful. Do let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe. I'm about to start a new Pax build literally tomorrow. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.